What's up, guys? You're watching Forward Tech with Akhan, and on this channel, we talk about technology that's shaping our future today. In this episode, we're going to review Tesla's 2022 Q4 earnings call and talk about all the exciting updates we learned. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, so that way you're updated when my latest videos come out. If you're not already, follow me on Twitter at AkhanForwardTech. You can also listen to this episode in the form of an audio podcast on Spotify. The links for everything are down in the description. Let's jump right in. Elon Musk started out the call by saying it's been a fantastic year for Tesla, with their best performance ever. They delivered over 1.3 million cars with a 17% operating margin, which is up from a minus 14%. The company generated over 12.5 billion in net income with 7.5 billion in pre-cash flow. 2022 was a challenging year due to shutdowns, high interest rates, and delivery challenges, but Tesla still managed to break records. Tesla also has the strongest orders in history, and it's seeing its orders at twice the rate of production. That's a pretty good problem to have. Even with the rest of the auto market declining, Elon Musk noted that he sees good demand for Tesla cars in the future. And he goes on to talk about the importance of affordability when it comes to Tesla's goal to making electric cars that are affordable for anyone. And I think we're going to hear a lot more about this at the March 1st Investor Day. Be sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you're updated when I cover that event. Also, Tesla announced that between Giga Berlin and Giga Austin, as their production grows, the actual cost of production is dropping. The company has seen a 50% increase in revenue, double operating income, and over 50% increase in pre-cash flow, all while maintaining industry-leading margins. Tesla also announced for the year of 2023, they have the potential of making up to 2 million vehicles per year. Now, Elon specifically said that this is just a goal, but if everything does go smooth with no unforeseen circumstances, 2 million vehicles could easily be produced and sold. But right now, the company is anticipating 1.8 million vehicles for the year. On the call, we also got plenty of updates on Tesla's full self-driving software. Full self-driving beta for city streets has been rolled out to over 400,000 customers in North America, with over 100 million miles driven outside of highways. Elon also goes on to highlight the safety statistics for full self-driving versus someone driving a Tesla or just another ICE vehicle. As we've seen with the past several quarters and will continue to see, the trend is very strong towards the use of full self-driving. In general, Tesla is one of the leading AI companies in the world, and they say they don't even see anyone close to achieving real-world AI. You'll definitely want to listen to this part. Elon Musk also said that full self-driving has the capability to increase the value of the fleet as an asset. Right now, FSD is currently worth $15,000 with 400,000 customers actively using their beta. And that's not even including the influx of customers who are going to want their cars to actually drive for them. That's well worth $15,000. Also, not to mention, this is just in the United States, and very few people understand this. There are over 3 million Tesla vehicles on the road right now, and they're producing 2 million more in the next year. When Elon was asked who they see their chief competitor being within 5 years from now, Elon said if there was anyone, it's probably going to be a Chinese company to take second place in full self-driving. He says he figures that someone else will figure it out at some point, but he does not think it's going to be any of the current car companies that he's aware of. Speaking of full self-driving, on the call, we also actually got an update on progress for Dojo and Optimus. Dojo should be competitive with NVIDIA's H1 this year and surpass it by next. This has the potential for an order of magnitude of improvement for Dojo. This is going to be great for AI training, and it's going to allow Tesla to train both their vehicle fleet and soon their fleet of Optimus robots 10 times faster, not to mention future improvements. Moving on from software, we also heard several bits about Tesla's energy business, saying it's the strongest year for their energy business yet. It was also stated on the call that demand for energy storage and generation is almost infinite for the foreseeable future. What a great situation to be in. So Tesla's been working with suppliers so that they can scale to take advantage of this rapid transition to sustainability. The energy growth business is still accelerating with EV, solar and wind, and stationary battery storage, as those are the keys to a sustainable future. Elon also mentioned on the call, the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. And based on the way Elon was saying it, it sounded to me that they might be considering making their own windmill. Do you think Tesla would actually do this? Let me know in the comments below. We also heard on the call that Tesla's ramping up Megapack production and will provide an update in the future about how many Megapack factories are going to be needed to fully transition the world to sustainable energy. We may even find out on March 1st during the Investor Day. But Tesla did say that they're going to take the fastest path to 1,000 gigawatt hours per year of production, and that we can hear extra announcements about future energy products later this year and next. What do you think they're going to be announcing? Again, let me know in the comments and we can talk about it. We also learned a little bit more about the 4680 cell. On the call, Tesla announced that the 4680 cells are producing about 1,000 cars a week and increasing production by another 100 gigawatt hours of cells. Long term, Tesla's goal is to have 1,000 gigawatt hours internally while still working with other cell suppliers. Tesla also expects to see advanced manufacturing credits for their batteries and battery packs that are made in the United States, which could equal up to several $100 million per quarter. We also learned on the call that it's correct to assume that the 4680 cells are going to be usable through all of Tesla's product pipeline. But we haven't gotten any percentages on how those are going to be allocated just yet. But Elon did assure us that the future products he alluded to on this call will use the 4680 cell. I'm thinking Tesla van. I'm still hoping for a Tesla RV. What do you think? Of course, let's have this conversation in the comments. Let me know. Elon was also asked if Tesla was monitoring brand damage from Elon's Twitter, where Elon pulled out his phone, saw that he has about 130 million followers, and basically said, "I think we'll be fine." He then encouraged other companies to follow suit and use Twitter as an advertising platform by just making good content. We'll see who listens. We also learned about Cybertruck on this call. Cybertruck production is expected to start around this summer. It will start slow but grow exponentially. Tesla is hoping to reach volume production by next year. Assembly of production equipment for the Cybertruck has already begun in Giga Texas. And you may know that the Cybertruck will be equipped with Tesla's Hardware 4, allowing it to take full advantage of the full self-driving software. Hardware 4 is expected to be 500 to 600 times safer than the current Hardware 3, which itself is 200 to 300 times safer than a human driver. With that being said, Elon Musk announced that there will be no need for an upgrade from Hardware 3 to Hardware 4, as it is still expected to exceed human driver safety. He also goes on to say that retrofitting Hardware 4 is not economically feasible and will come at a significant cost. We even heard a little bit on the call about Tesla insurance. Elon Musk even said that Tesla offering insurance makes other car insurance companies offer better rates for Teslas, so that way they can compete with Tesla's internal rate. Additionally, with Tesla insurance, they have a better feedback loop to minimize costs of repairs for Teslas worldwide. This allows Tesla to adjust the design of the car, including the software, so that way they can minimize on the cost of repair in an accident, making the vehicle safer, more durable, and longer lasting. Tesla's also announced its goal in the past to avoid all collisions with their cars moving forward, which would effectively reduce the cost and need of insurance to zero. In addition to everything we've talked about so far, Tesla had mentioned several exciting products that they have in development, stating that Tesla has the most exciting product roadmap of any company in the world, and that they have more great ideas than they know what to do with. Elon goes on to say that he's confident that Tesla will be the most valuable company on Earth in the long term, and probably in the relatively short term. We heard an update on battery storage and generation products that'll be announced later this year and next. Elon Musk was also asked if there are any plans to accelerate commercial vehicle forms outside of the Tesla Semi, to which he said yes, but he's not giving any details. If that's not a Tesla van, I don't know what is. Elon Musk was also asked about producing a profitable EV to sell for under $30,000. And Elon said it's a great question, but they would be jumping the gun on future announcements. Again, we're probably going to learn more about this at Tesla's Investor Day on March 1st. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so that way you're updated whenever I cover Tesla's Investor Day. Also, let me know in the comments, what do you think we're going to see? Are they actually going to unveil their next generation platform? Will we see a new model like the Tesla van or the Model 2 or whatever they decide to call it? But for now, Elon Musk let us know that they're focusing on manufacturing technology as their long-term strength, and they're going to discuss further on March 1st during Investor Day. I know I'm excited, and I hope you are too. So we learned a lot from Tesla's Q4 2022 earnings call. What's your favorite thing that you learned? And again, what do you think we're going to be hearing about on the upcoming Investor Day? Let me know in the comments and we can talk about it. If you haven't already given this video a like and subscribe to the channel, make sure you do so you're updated when all of my future videos come out. Also, follow me on Twitter at AkhanForwardTech, or you can listen to each episode as an audio podcast on Spotify. Links to both are in the description. Elon Musk said that Tesla is going to be the most profitable company in the world. Do you want a piece of that? Could you use up to $200 in free Tesla stock? All you need to do is sign up for a new Robinhood account with my link in the description. Then go ahead and connect your bank to claim your free stock. And if you like the video, consider supporting me on Patreon, where you're going to get early access to all of my videos, and it's really going to help me free up time to make more of these videos for you all. Again, I put links for everything down in the description, so make sure you don't miss out. Thanks for watching this episode of Forward Tech with Akhan. Until next time.